welcome back to In Angie's World. So in today's video, I'm going to be actually posting this video for my science project that we have to film and show. So yeah, no hate, let's just get on. Things you will need. You will need a 4-ounce bottle of Elmer's clear glue. A 4-ounce bottle. I only have a quart, so I'm using this Elmer's glue. Food coloring is optional. I'm using food coloring for the white glue. Pigment with the clear glue, and then foamies are also optional. And you will need activator, so let's go make that. So first you want to dump this. I'm dumping the rest of this activator because it's old. So your activator is 1 cup of warm water to a teaspoon of borax. You can use whatever activator, but borax is the best activator that I use. So. Waiting for the water to get warm. If you use cold water, it won't activate as good as warm water, so I recommend using warm water. And yeah, so I'll be saying what our hypothesis is and stuff like that, so no hate. Then you're gonna get a teaspoon. It's a tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of borax laundry detergent stuff. Do not touch the borax. Oh, you also need a container to put it in, but I do that at the end. Then what you're gonna do, close it up and shake it or mix it if you're not in a cup. If you touch it, it's okay, but try to avoid your eyes. Always wash your hands after you've made slime because. Okay, so I'll see you guys when.
So here's my bowl. And here we're gonna be testing out which slime is better using clear or white glue. So my hypothesis is I believe the white glue will be better because it is a I don't know how to explain it, density. It's more density. So yeah, so that's my hypothesis. So the first step you will be doing is we're gonna be doing the white slime first. So the first step we're gonna be doing is to empty a full contents of Elmer's school glue into a bowl. Make sure to get all the glue in it. Upstairs window. I'm doing it. So now, after you've emptied the whole contents of Elmer's white glue school glue, you are now going to add your food coloring. I'm adding blue food coloring. You can add whatever color or no color at all. And now just get whatever you have to mix with and just mix your slime and your food coloring together. Now, or you can add them when you have made the slime. I do it at the end, so now just pour it slowly, because if you pour it all at once, the slime will become hard, and you want it to become hard, and we're trying to see which one is better. Do not wear new clothes with this when you're making slime, because you can get it all over your clothes, so yeah. 1 second. These photos taken by Guy Winters during his investigation may be the last shots ever taken of O'Hare. I have to post this on YouTube, so they can watch it in my class. So, now you're just gonna... If you know how to play with slime, you can start going in with your hands now, but if you don't, just keep activating it until you think you can do it. But keep mixing it until all the slime is off of the side of the bowl like this, but still add more activator. As you can see here, it is a little bit jiggly. Not that thick, not that dense, but wanted to be nice and simple. So let me just... As you can see, the white slime did not take a long time to activate. So if the clear slime takes a little more time to activate, then that will be my data. One of my variables here is that using clear and white, my independent variable, what I changed is using clear glue and using white glue. My control variable is that I measured 4 ounces for each, and my dependent is what I'm going to observe after. So what I'm observed right now so far is that the white slime did not take as much time to activate as it so far. So let's see if the clear glue will take less time or more time. So now that you have all the stuff off your slime, let me just get the slime off the spatula. So now here's your slime. Nice blue slime. It is a little bit tough because I added a little bit too much activator, but that is okay. So there you have it. You have your white slime. Now let's do the clear slime.
For the clear slime, you will need is clear glue, Elmer's clear glue, or whatever clear glue that has PVA in it. Coloring is optional. I'm using this lime green pigment that I got for Christmas last year. A bowl and a spatula. So now try to empty out 4 ounces of clear glue. I don't have an ounce thing, so I'm just gonna eyeball it a little bit. Okay, that's enough. Okay. So now you're gonna add your pigment. This pigment is very pigmented, so I wouldn't add too much. I'll add about that much. It's up to you how much you want to add. So now what I've noticed about this slime is that the glue is very thinner than white glue. White glue is more thicker than this, and it's very like watery kind of. The color is very pretty though. I think I'm gonna add a little more pigment. I want it to be a little more pigmented. Oh, okay. So yeah, there we go. So yeah, as I said, okay, so I added a lot of pigment. Okay, pigment is like stuck to the bowl. Okay, so now once you've gotten all your coloring, now you want to add your activator. Same activator I'm using. So now just pour a little bit by little. Okay, so what I've noticed is that the clear glue activates like not quicker, but like a little bit slower than white glue does. Right off the bat, it becomes a little bit stringy, and if you put too much activator, the clear slime just like, I don't know, like becomes weird, like this. Okay, so now we're gonna need to add more activator. So add as much activator, like I said, as you think you will need. So yeah, this is so far what I have. It actually activates fast, but like not as fast as the white glue did. It is very stringy, and it is very less hard than the white glue is, but it's because it's very sticky. It's weird. Like if you add activator, it's still very sticky and it falls apart a lot. So that's a dependent thing that I've observed. So this did become a lot more tougher than the white glue did, but if you leave it out for a couple of days, it will become softer. So yeah. I'll be right back. So now here is the clear slime. It is nice and hard. very tough. So now let's do a comparison of both slimes. So let's start with the one we made first, the blue slime. The blue slime is nice and clicky, has very nice pokes. It isn't very like nice because I added a little too much activator, but it's very glossy. It stretches a little bit, I guess. And it makes good bubble pops. Here is the clear slime. The clear slime, it is, oh wow. It is very like, there's a comparison. Like this one, it's heavier, but it's not good. Like it's not pokey or anything. This one, on the other hand, is. And has more activator. So yeah. So my hypothesis was right. The white slime was better. And I think that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to become part of this subscriber fam. See you guys in the next video.